'cause I'm done cleaning up your mess. Found myself in my regrets. I've become a little stronger now, a little stronger now.
And of course, we can't forget about gamers. For you guys, we bring you the Galaxy Book Odyssey. Galaxy Book Odyssey comes in mystic black with a unique cover logo for a striking, standout look. With NVIDIA RTX 3050 Ti GPU, we deliver a smooth gaming experience, even in this thin and light design. And with its powerful Tiger Lake Age chipset, this PC performs under pressure, giving you optimal performance. It's ready to deliver high-quality gameplay from the very best of Xbox Game Pass. Galaxy Book Odyssey has an even more powerful chipset and a unique design. It's a perfect match for gamers about to embark on their wildest adventures. Both Galaxy Books deliver the power and portability you need, with the essentials to take your favorite activities to all new heights.
Welcome to the Museum of Laptops, a journey back to a time before we asked the question, why can't laptops be more like phones? This way. Here we go.
Cave paintings.
Nope. Old Wi-Fi passwords used before 5G. Powerful laptops used to be so big and heavy. Oh, no touching, please.
Why not?
There's no touchscreens. No point.
Who is that?
It's you on an old laptop video call.
No.
Why not try this?
Oh my gosh.
I present to you a film on old laptop screens under bright sunshine.
I can't see it.
Exactly. Next exhibit. Now, prepare yourselves. You're about to feel what it's like to drop like an old laptop battery. Okay, I've just quick shared it to all of you.
Back in my day, you had to email it to yourself.
Well, luckily, Galaxy Book changed all of that.
As you've just seen, the Galaxy Book is designed to make Samsung innovation accessible to everyone. Students, teachers, creators, artists, anyone who wants the tools to bring their best ideas to life. It comes with a 15.6-inch display, slim bezel, and a body that opens to a full 180 degrees. It's available in Mystic Blue or Mystic Silver. And this PC delivers both portability and power. The 11th gen Intel Core processor with Iris Xe graphics, the same chipset on the Galaxy Book Pro series, is also available on Galaxy Book, delivering powerful performance while focusing on the essentials. We know an important part of the mobile computing experience is the ability to stay online and connected. That's why we're bringing LTE connectivity to your Galaxy Book. Personally, over the past year, I spent more time online than ever before. Whether I was catching up with friends or family, I made a lot of video calls, and I'm sure you did too. With Studio Mode, you can customize the way you look on screen. You can add lighting effects and use filters to tweak your appearance. And when you're in the middle of a video chat, you can easily and quickly turn off your camera and mic thanks to our dedicated function key. Just like the Pro series, Galaxy Book comes with Dolby Atmos audio technology, so you'll get incredible sound while watching a new movie or show. And with its long-lasting battery, you can indulge in your favorite activities. It also comes packed with many useful ports, including a micro SD port. And that's just one more way your Galaxy Book will meet your everyday essential needs.